Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'm just gonna show you all my Plane Crazy builds. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I don't know, I just haven't had much ideas. All I've been doing is watching YouTube, really, mainly. So, yeah. Alright, first one. My first build, Focke-Wulf, FW190. So one's the original from the tutorial that I did, by TheMadVulpen. Next one, McDonnell Douglas F-15 Eagle, also by TheMadVulpen, two-seater, next one, pretty much, so I just learned how to make a howitzer, so I made a lot of them, and then I put some benches, a little camp, like a building, seat, and then some rooms, machine guns, and this is a machine gun too, which just has all the thingies on them, the disconnectors. Next one, tugboat. First custom boat build. Next one, the jet one, a 20 block easy build. Might do a tutorial on that. Next one, rocket silo, custom build again. All it does is open up and then you can fire a rocket out. Just like a missile silo. Sorry about it being a bit laggy. Next one, well, slot 8 we'll skip to because slot 7's an empty slot. Just a bunch of howitzers. Next one, carrier jet, rescue, whatever. This is one of those, a rocket, two-seater, parachute. It's good for landing on carriers. It's based off that small jet. Next one, World War I tank. This is like a Mark tank or something, I don't know. But yeah. Next one, dive bomber. This is the Dauntless, I believe. Also, by TheMadVulpen. The tank was by TheMadVulpen, so the previous one. Next one, I just tried to make a custom Katyusha. It doesn't really work that well. Next one, FW190, a two-seater. Yeah, by TheMadVulpen, except I kind of altered it a bit. Next one, this is by TheMadVulpen. It's a tank. It's a RC tank that goes and blows up. Next couple. So this is the ship hull. It was made. I just made it so that I didn't have to make another hull for any custom builds. And then I painted it all red, just because I don't know. Next one, Nike Hercules missile. Pretty much just a missile. Next one, parachute B-25. This is the altered B-25 of TheMadVulpen for parachuting. I just removed the bombs, made a little place inside the fuselage. Next one is the normal B-25 with bombs. This is by TheMadVulpen. Alright, and then we'll move on to slot 19. Next, this one's just one howitzer. This is the first howitzer I made. It is by TheMadVulpen, although it is altered. Next one, M113 APC, which is an armored personnel carrier, amphibious by TheMadVulpen. Next one, custom carrier. It folds out. It's kind of like a royal carrier, the HMS or whatever carrier, except it only has one bridge. This was also kind of custom, and it kind of folds. Next one, I like to misspell boat because it's funny. But this is just small boat. Not custom, but I forget who. Next one, so this is the P38, a bit altered. I think it's now 2-seater by TheMadVulpen. Next one, P38 bomber. Swift bombs. Next one with rockets. CIWS. The CIWS is from a tutorial, but I made this custom amphibious thing. It's got conveys on the bottom to drive on land. Next one, me and my friend just were up late at night, and we were just trying to make a British locomotive, a class like 66, I think. Next one, spaceship. Me and my brother were gonna ride this. It also self-destructs. Ignore the names on these, by the way. I just made it to, I don't know. Next one. This is a cargo version of the tugboat, like a lumber ship or in a barge. Next one, CIWS. This is the Ever Given, the ship that got stuck in the Suez Canal, the container ship. I made a custom one of it. Not carrying anything. Next one, PT boat. Custom. All those disconnectors fall off, by the way. Next one, Coast Guard, custom. Me and my friend just made this. Flak 40, custom. And Flak 40 referring to the Nazi Flak 40. And the last one, I believe, is just another missile silo. This one opens up and you can shoot a rocket out of it too. And I can close, it's normally crashing down. Oh yeah, you can go into the camera too. And that's all. So please like and subscribe. And yeah, basically it. I have nothing else to say. Hopefully I can upload soon. Might just be monthly uploads from now on. So yeah, see you guys.